Here is Ying Liu and Man Zhang. Today we will solve the problem of multiplying and dividing rational expressions. In this tutorial, we will show you how to multiply and divide rational expressions. In this video, we will use the same mathematical concepts as in the past to solve these new problems. In this section, we will learn how to multiply polynomials to be able to complete the multiplication or division problems of rational expressions. So what's the history of multiplying and dividing rational expressions? We can break multiplying and dividing rational expressions into many different mathematical subjects. In order to accomplish multiplying and dividing rational expressions, basic algebra and other basic mathematics had to come first. Methods of multiplication were documented by ancient Egyptian, Greek, and Chinese civilizations. Around 1800 BC, Egyptians were the first known to use fractions. In 1600 BC, the Babylonians already knew solutions to quadratic equations and also solutions to equations to the third and fourth degree. Egyptians used papyrus to make papers and used this to calculate fractions. Is this topic a difficult one? So we believe that when you know the method about how to solve this kind of problems, it will not be difficult for you. After this class, you will find multiplying and dividing is fairly simple and is much easier than adding and subtracting. So let's begin. Here is an example for multiplying rational expressions. The q and s do not equal 0. For example, y divided by 2x times y divided by 4x equals y squared divided by 8x squared. Y times y equals y squared. 2x times 4x equals 8x squared. Give you an example here. So step 1. We need to factor both the numerator and the denominator. So how to factor these expressions, y squared minus 9? So basically what you got to do is take the square root of y. The square root of y squared is just y. The square root of 9 is 3. And on one side you are going to have a plus, and in the other side is minus. Then y squared minus 3y is a binomial. The first thing you should look for always is to remove the GCF, the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor between y squared minus 3y is y, because we can divide it by we can divide both terms by y. So if we take out on y squared divided by y is simply y, and negative 3y divided by y is negative 3. So the answer is y times y minus 3. The right one, we have trinomial y squared plus 9y plus 18. So find two numbers that multiply to 18 but add to 9. So positive 6 and positive 3. This is going to be y plus 3 times y plus 6 times y plus 3. Step 2. Write as one fraction, means times them all together. Step 3. We need to simplify this rational expression. So here we have y plus 3 divided by y plus 3, y minus 3 divided by y minus 3, y divided by y, and they would cancel out. And in the lowest term, this equation would be 1 divided by y plus 6. So the denominator is not equal to 0. So excluded value of the original then should be y not equal 0, 3, -6, and -3. So for dividing rational expression, the formula is P divided by Q divided by R divided by S equal P divided by Q times S divided by R. For this example, we need flip over the 12x divided by 3x squared plus 6x to x squared plus 6x divided by 12x. The following steps are the same as the part of multiplying rational expression, so let's try again. We factor the 9x squared to 9 times x times x, and factor the binomial x squared plus 6x to x times x plus 6. Also, use same method to factor the trinomial to x plus 6 times x plus 6. So the equation write down like that. Then we simplify this equation. 9x divided by 12x, we got 3 and 4. Because x over x, they will cancel out, and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Also, x plus 6 divided by x plus 6, they are cancel each other out. Then multiply it. The equation is 3x squared divided by 4x plus 24. So the denominator is not equals to 0. So excluded value of the original then should be y not equal 0 and -6. What difference between dividing and multiplying is? So dividing rational expressions are: first one, factor both the numerator and the denominator. 2, write as one fraction. 3, simplify the rational expression. 4, multiply any remaining factors in the numerator or denominator. Multiply rational expressions are: 1, write as multiplication of the reciprocal. 2, factor both the numerator and the denominator. 3, write as one fraction. 4, simplify the rational expression. 5, multiply any remaining factors in the numerator and denominator. Remember, don't cancel any terms. We can only cancel factors. So here is a practice for everyone. So now we start to solve it. First, we need factor each expression. Then we need flipped over the a minus 1 divided by a plus 2. 2 times a plus 2 divided by a minus 1. Finally, we divide out common factors. Then we got answer 1 divided by a minus 1. Now we have learned how to solve multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Thanks for watching.